Make challenging projects a breeze with this impact driver set that includes a brushless 12 volts right-angle impact driver, a PWR Core 12, 2.0 Ah Lithium Battery with PWRRAssist Mobile Charging, and a PWRJump Charger. The cordless impact driver's compact size and 90-degree drill head are easy to maneuver in hard-to-reach fastening applications. And the extended paddle allows you to operate the tool at various grip points. Take on the toughest materials with this impact driver set designed for compact power, efficiency, and performance. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Everything you need to start. Begin your projects right away with this right-angle impact driver set that includes a PWR Core 12V lithium battery and PWRJump Charger. Number 2. Compact size. The digital brushless motor provides compact, lightweight power. Number 3. Longer runtime and battery life. Industry-leading PWR Core 12 lithium battery technology wraps each cell with cooling material to keep the battery powering on for 25% longer runtime and 2x battery life. Number 4. Power on the go. Plug into the battery's USB port wherever, whenever with PWRRAssist Mobile Charging. Number 5. Charges in 5 minutes. PWRJump charges the battery from 0% to 25% in just 5 minutes, or 100% battery in 45 minutes. Number 6. Variable speed paddle. The extended paddle of this 90-degree drill allows you to operate the tool from multiple grip positions, all with precise speed from start to finish. Number 7. Bright halo light. Get 5x more light than common LED. Light up your workspace and reduce shadows with pre-light and afterglow, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.